Welcome to Car Show 1, your go-to channel for the latest and greatest in the automotive world. If you're passionate about cars, reviews, and updates, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving into the stunning 2026 MG GT, a car that's set to redefine style and performance in its segment. The MG GT has always been a name associated with sleek design and sporty appeal, and the 2026 model takes it to a whole new level. Right from the first glance, this car demands attention with its aggressive stance, sharp lines, and a front fascia that screams performance. The bold grille, angular LED headlights, and sculpted hood make it clear that MG has put serious effort into making this car stand out on the road. Moving to the side profile, the 2026 MG GT boasts a coupe-like silhouette that enhances its sporty character. The aerodynamic design not only improves aesthetics but also contributes to better fuel efficiency and driving stability. The alloy wheels come with a dynamic multi-spoke design, adding to the premium look. The sloping roofline seamlessly merges into the rear, giving the car a fastback-like appeal, which is something car enthusiasts will definitely appreciate. At the rear, the MG GT continues its aggressive styling with sleek LED taillights, a sculpted bumper, and a subtle lip spoiler that enhances its sporty persona. The dual exhaust setup not only looks great but also adds to the thrilling sound of the engine. The overall design of the 2026 MG GT is a perfect blend of elegance and sportiness, making it a head-turner on the streets. Stepping inside the cabin, MG has focused on providing a premium yet driver-centric experience. The dashboard features a clean and modern design with a large touchscreen infotainment system positioned centrally for easy access. The digital instrument cluster provides all the necessary information in a crisp and clear manner, enhancing the futuristic feel of the car. The use of high-quality materials, soft touch surfaces, and contrast stitching adds a luxurious touch to the interior. The seats are designed for maximum comfort and support, making long drives enjoyable. The sporty bucket-style seats come with leather upholstery, providing a perfect balance of luxury and sportiness. The rear seats offer ample legroom and headroom, ensuring a comfortable ride for passengers. MG has also focused on practicality by offering plenty of storage spaces, including cup holders, door pockets, and a spacious trunk for luggage. Technology-wise, the 2026 MG GT is loaded with features. The infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and voice commands, ensuring seamless connectivity. The premium sound system delivers an immersive audio experience, perfect for music lovers. The car also comes with wireless charging, multiple USB ports, and advanced climate control to enhance convenience. Under the hood, the MG GT offers a range of powerful engine options. The base variant is expected to come with a turbocharged 1.5-liter engine, delivering an impressive balance of power and efficiency. For those who crave more performance, MG is offering a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine, producing a thrilling amount of horsepower and torque. Both engine options come paired with an advanced automatic transmission, ensuring smooth gear shifts and a responsive driving experience. When it comes to handling, the MG GT does not disappoint. The suspension setup is tuned to provide a perfect mix of comfort and agility, making it ideal for both city driving and spirited highway runs. The precise steering response adds to the driving confidence, making every turn enjoyable. Whether you're navigating through tight city streets or cruising on the open road, the MG GT delivers a dynamic and engaging drive. Safety has always been a priority for MG, and the 2026 MG GT is equipped with the latest safety features. It comes with adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking to ensure a secure drive. The robust chassis and multiple airbags provide added protection in case of an impact. MG has also included a 360-degree camera system, making parking and maneuvering easier than ever. Another standout feature of the MG GT is its fuel efficiency. The aerodynamics, engine tuning, and lightweight construction contribute to impressive mileage figures. This makes the car an excellent choice for those looking for a sporty yet fuel-efficient vehicle. Overall, the 2026 MG GT is a perfect blend of style, performance, and technology. It offers a premium feel without breaking the bank, making it an attractive choice in the market. Whether you are a car enthusiast looking for an exciting drive or someone who wants a stylish and feature-packed daily driver, the MG GT ticks all the right boxes. That wraps up our detailed look at the 2026 MG GT. What do you think about this car? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Car Show 1 for more exciting car reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.